Here with me is the JBL Tune 760 ANC Bluetooth headphones, and in this video I'll be doing a quick unboxing and review of this device. So without wasting your time, let's get right to it. Inside the box, we have the JBL Quick Start Guide, we have the safety instruction and warranty card, we have the USB A to USB-C charging cable, a 3.5mm aux cable, and then the Tune 760 headphones. Right out of the box, the first thing that came to my mind was, why do these headphones look so familiar? The Tune 760 looks so much like the Tune 710, which I have reviewed here on this channel, and you can almost not tell them apart. So as expected, the headphones are lightweight as they are made mostly of plastic, which is common with most budget headphones. The ear cups and the headrest are well padded with leather, making them pretty comfortable to wear. The ear cups are smaller in size, and this might be uncomfortable for prolonged use for some people. The hinges are made of plastic, and the ear cups can also be easily rotated. The control buttons are thoughtfully placed, making them easily accessible. The play pause button, the forward reverse track button, the voice assistant button, and the two device pairing options are well within easy reach and logically arranged. At the back of this same ear cup is where the Type-C charging port is located. The Tune 760 has a noise cancelling feature which is decent. While it may not be as immersive as some of the higher end models, it is still effective and allows you to enjoy your sound while in a noisy environment. Although I still feel maybe the term noise reduction should have been used here instead of noise cancellation. Moving on to the sound quality, the Tune 760 headphones offers high, clear and crisp sound. The sound is beautifully balanced, the bass is present and controlled, it is not aggressive but it's there, you can feel it. It gives the right amount without being overwhelming. The microphone performance of these headphones is satisfactory. While on calls, the voices are clear and natural. However, when on call in a noisy environment, these headphones struggle to separate voices from the background noise. The pairing of these headphones are simple and super easy. Now let's talk about the battery, which is impressive. A single charge of these headphones can last you for several days. According to JBL, you get 35 hours with ANC on and 50 hours with ANC off. Overall, these headphones might be a bit uncomfortable to wear if you have a larger head size. Also, those who are big fans of ANC might consider other ANC models, as the ANC on this 760 is just average. Aside these two things mentioned, the JBL Tune 760 headphones are pretty decent budget-friendly headphones with great sound quality. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.